what I'm finding as well is, hope you can hear me, is that there's all this dead material that needs to be cleared. So just raking it into piles, getting the ground back to something like, so we can see a little bit of soil, then moving on to another area, and that's the method at the moment. And then we'll just eventually put all these piles into one area or 2 or 3 areas, let it rot down, and then we're going to clear those areas by putting ground cover on them. So the job seems an awful lot easier when you've got 2 or 3 people together. On a big plot like this, it does seem overwhelming. And I always try and recommend people's Emma's allotment diaries is really good, and Emma down in London, a shout out to you. I think your clearance videos and allotment diaries have been really, really good over the years, so thank you for those. Helps to inspire people who've got allotments like me. I really like that. Sorry. All right, I'll do another one in a while. See you in a bit.